All right, when installing one of these custom kits, because of that location, can you see at the tip of my finger where the gold little service fitting is coming off? It's between the chassis, the frame of the car, and the engine mount. And there's like 1.5 millimeters of clearance on each side of this fitting. You have no room for error. Slip this on first before you tighten it down. Now, I already did that from down below, and I think I made a video. But what I was going to do is try to make a dry run on here, put a hose on this, and try to connect it, getting my fingers from up above, because it's, as you can see, this is no fun. Actually, it's like almost inaccessible. So I would say the area in which that service fitting is located is not a good area. And so I think there's a phone number on this kit, and I will send this guy an email or try to call him and show him some pictures on this kit he made for this chassis model, that some things don't quite match up to his description. And like I explained in the other videos, that this suction line, if it would have come here, then it comes up, and then it would have shot forward about 4 inches forward facing this direction. I had to cut the factory hose. Here's the piece I cut off. Now you see the natural bend of this hose? It was a natural bend attached to that hose that came down here. So if this 90-degree fitting was a 180-degree fitting, the original hose could have been used, and this could have went right into, you see where it fits right there? And then the original hose would not have to be cut. It could be reused. That would have saved a lot of time and a little bit of aggravation. As for the fitting, since that's a bad location for the fitting here, it would not be good to put it in here. I mentioned in one of the other videos you would put a T with a service fitting where you just cut the line right in the middle and just put the fitting right here, and then just crimp the ferrules, because you'd have these one on each end, and you'd have your service fitting right here, and that's how you would take care of that problem. And unless they did the 180 right here and it comes over here 3 or 4 inches and it was big enough so it could point out but have enough clearance, so you have to make sure it has clearance. So you'd want to locate the fitting in an area where you know the service valve would not collide with anything, but yet a human hand could get in here and take it on and off really easy, which that is not really easy. All right, I'll get back to this. I'm sizing the high side line right up and out.